Hey guys, welcome back to Greentgarden, guys. Right now, the past couple days in New York, it's been really cold. The weather just dropped out of the blue, and it dropped so cold it was 20 degrees lower, even lower in the night. Really dangerous and bad for the plants. So I just wanted to show you guys up close some of my plants. The seedlings didn't really made it due to the cold weather. I'll show you guys another one up close. You can see, pretty stressed out about it, but the good and bad news is that a lot of my plants survive from the colder weather, and some of them, the lower percentage die, so I'm still with a higher percentage, which is good. But it's springtime in New York, so the weather was getting really nice, and then the greenhouse was getting above 100 degrees in the greenhouse. Outside was in the 50s, close to the 60s. So I thought it was I thought that we're gonna go on to the summer right now, but then got the setback with the colder weather, moved in, did a lot of damage, and put me back in a setback. So basically, I'm gonna show you guys right now in my greenhouse what survived and some stuff didn't survive, and I'm showing you guys my next step that hopefully the weather will get nice in New York, and we're finally gonna get rid of this winter cold weather, and we could bring on the summer and get some plants and veggies growing. I'm so anxious about this, guys. So let me show you guys right now how some setup in my greenhouse, and I'm moving slow process because we had a lot of rain. It's just the cold weather, rain, and a lot of wind. So hopefully we get some nice days between, guys. All right, guys. So we're gonna start up. Some of the stuff, didn't made it, as I said. A lot of these plants didn't survive, but like you could see with the cold weather, it just kills everything there. These guys get cream. So these beets definitely didn't made it. Gonna have to clean out those, but stuff like the carrots over here, they're doing really fine. And then on the bottom, as you guys could see, mustard. I did transplant them the other day. Add some water. You could see the soil is rich and nice. And over here, guys, I do have some kale. They're looking really good, so hopefully they hang on. This was another container I found with scallions in there. They're holding on good. And I did move some. I got some more carrots. I did move some beetroots and the radish around here. You can see they're really getting better, doing good. Need some some nice hot days will definitely spike the growing of them. And over here, guys, I started to put down some carrots. So as you guys can see how my carrots come around there, I put them not too far apart when I did my carrots, because carrots basically they're growing down. The top part will come up, but it doesn't matter if it's too close. Once you're like 2-3 inches away, I think it's fine. And I have a bunch, so I need to fit much as possible I can in there. And I did start some new seeding. And my daughter picked up a new garden sign. We got that from the dollar store, by the way. So you could see my cauliflower didn't made it. So guys, as you can see, my pak choi right here. Romaine lettuce, I just planted these guys back. You could see it's 60 degrees in the greenhouse. Is not that, but it's kind of cold outside. That's why. But scallions are looking good. I'm definitely gonna harvest all these scallions, cut all one level, and spike the new growth. It'll grow really fast. Then over here, I have more carrots and scallions. These are new scallion seeds that I planted this year. So I'm going to move some of them in here, fill up this whole container of scallions. So it's going to be rich and nice. So as you guys could see, the greenhouse is still in a hot mess. I'm literally still going through stuff. But, as I said, with the cold weather, just put me in a big setback. And I got these guys right here. These guys are really good for the tomatoes. I got them from the tomato plant. So normally the tomato plant, guys, will grow. They get really tall and they'll fall or lean. You could either use like a stick, or you could use something like that. Guys, so this is my Greentgarden vlog, which I show you guys around in my channel. I'll show you guys right now in my greenhouse. Hopefully another couple days. I noticed the weather is gonna be getting better, so I'm keeping my finger crossed. I do have to work outside on the garden. One of my raised bed. I have 2 beds in the back of the greenhouse. I'm going to be adding some more soil, compost, and some other stuff to boost it up. I'll show you guys how I'm boosting up my soil before planting or moving any plant outside. So guys, basically I'm gonna be mixing up all my videos, you know, learning videos, vlog, and all that stuff. And I know there's a lot of new beginners, so I will be putting out some beginners video. And just for you pros too, sometimes you guys forget some step or something what to do, and it's always good to refresh your memory, guys. So hopefully I can start my spring cleaning, you know, outside of the garden, do a really nice job. I do check my playlist out. I have a lot of video, guys. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'll see you guys next time on Green Tea Garden.